Ever wondered why your engine sounds like it's throwing a tantrum? Let's untangle that mystery. It's called knocking. In the world of engines, knocking is a rattle-like noise produced due to premature ignition of the air-fuel mixture. It's like having your dinner before the appetizers. Not ideal, right? Now, why is this a problem? Well, besides that annoying noise, knocking can lead to severe engine damage if left unchecked. It reduces engine efficiency, increases emission and fuel consumption. So if your engine is playing that knocking tune, it's high time for a checkup. Remember, a happy engine equals a happy ride. Keep the rhythm smooth and knock-free. Smoother the engine, smoother the journey. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights. Keep learning, keep growing.